Located in Newburyport, Massachusetts, Rochester Electronics offers a range of manufacturing services, including component lead finishing and in-house BGA reballing services for customer-provided products. Reballing is the removal of existing solder balls from a ball grid array product and replacing them with new balls, either of the same type or a different composition depending on customer needs. This allows for the conversion of solder balls from leaded to lead-free or lead-free to leaded. This process can also be used to replace demarred or oxidized solder balls. Reballing enables customers to continue using their existing parts which match the original in form, fit, and function, without the time and expense of a full redesign. The benefits of our reballing services include extending the useful life of inventory, quickly adapting to leaded or lead-free requirements, improving product yield and solderability, or reducing risk and delays in production. We adhere to globally recognized standards such as IEC TS 62647-4 to ensure high quality, reliability, and consistency. Every step, from thermal control and cleaning to detailed inspections and solder testing, is carefully managed so that parts are fully ready for final assembly. Using Rochester's state-of-the-art equipment, the existing balls are wicked away in a molten solder bath. After the surface is cleaned, flux and solder are stenciled onto the parts. Our automated equipment ensures accuracy and repeatability with no missed or malformed balls. Once the new balls are placed, the parts are reflowed in a multi-zone oven designed to ensure even and controlled heating through the ball reattach process. The BGAs then go through a final wash to remove residual flux. Multiple inline process monitors, such as ball shear, ensure that Rochester Electronics' reballing process meets or exceeds the IEC TS 162647-4 standard. Rochester leads the way in environmentally responsible manufacturing, including zero-discharge wastewater treatment. Rochester Electronics, extending semiconductor product life cycles with in-house BGA reballing services to keep customers' systems in production.